Look like we got some. Ah!
I gotta do a video. You guys are so crazy. Yeah. That's so cool. I'm Batman. I'm Batman. Batman.
So I'm walking through the park and I'm like, I saw the sign that said the log flume was open on the board, and I was like, it's not open. I got over here. The log flume's open. The log flume is open.
I was like, same thing with you. She was like,
Is that I was going to take the turkey for him to get there. My mom was like, I'm not doing that. And I was like, yeah, you are.
I wonder how violent. He's in the shower. Somebody's like that.
how old was your dad?
We're about to get wet.
Hey guys, hurry up, hurry up.
Look at that. Yeah. It's already nice and wet up in here. Yeah. There we go. All by myself. Remain seated. Please remain seated. Keep hands and arms and legs inside the boat at all times. All right. Oh, hold on to the sides here. Hold on to the side. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I think my foot's already wet. Oh, yeah. Woo! Yeah. This view ain't bad. All right, time to get wet. Oh! Oh! All right, we're on the log flume, bouncing around. Nice view up here, other than hitting the sides and everything. I have not ridden this log flume since I can't even remember the last time I rode this log flume. Oh my goodness. It's been down for some years. Well, it was down for a couple years and then I haven't rode it. Looks like they reinforced a couple of the turns here. All right, coming around this back one here. Nice little view of the lake. Coming around the turn. Nice clouds today, though. Seriously, nice clouds today. I need to find another ride where I could just get on it and chill. Need more chill rides. All right, here we go. Might get a little wet on this one. Let's see. And spaloosh. Woo! All right, not so bad, not so bad. That one was not bad at all. It just picked it up a little bit. All right, whoa, we hitting some rapids here. Got some rough chop here, folks. Okay, here we go. All right, got another drop here. Hi. Hiya. Oh, too late. Oh, okay, It looks scary. It looks scary. Don't judge me. It looks scary. All right. It's not bad. Oh, we do have one last lift. All right. Yeah. Coming around the corner here. All right. Got it good. Coming around the corner. And all right. Coming around this corner here. All right. Okay. Now this is where the safari was, letting people get on the safari. Does not look like that's going to happen again. I did kind of like the safari over here. I need to do the safari. Check out the safari. Updates for the safari. All right, we're going up. Now this is the last drop here. This is the one where you get wet. I haven't gotten too wet yet, just splashes. But this is the one right here. Bye. Oh yeah, we're getting wet on this one. Oh! Woo! All right. And my new contraption worked. I like it. The glasses hat combo. Yeah, baby. Now, can I put my hat back on without taking off the glasses? That's the question. Whoa! Hey! Come screeching to a halt. There we go. All right, we got wet.
Hello, how are you? Welcome back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Whoa! Oh man, is the floor moving or is it me?
Bro, that's the order. You got your own. Oh, that was the order.
All right. Woo! All right. That was good. And I think I got a picture on that one. So now I saw a flash. So it looks like we got pictures on this one. So hopefully we'll see some evidence of my shenanigans here. I always thought they should put the lockers near the, oh, there we go. B387. Okay, so we're B387. Yeah, that's a good one. All right, that's it right there. B387 at 233. 230. B387. Looks like Best of the West is open also. There we go. Oh yeah, that was a good one right there. That was a good one. Yeah, there's some good ones at the one in Massachusetts. There we go. Oh, that was a good one. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys, enjoy yourselves.
Have a good one.
All right, so that was the log flume. That was good. I enjoyed it. It was fun. There's only really one part where you get wet, and that's right there. That last drop right there is where you really get wet. Other than that, it's not too bad. It definitely got some nice views and everything. I would say it's up there with like a cruising one, like you kind of cruise around and, you know. So, all right, and it takes pictures. So they were taking pictures on that one, which was good.